Hey, got a nice balloon? Huh? Nice balloon?
Yay!
Hey! What's that?
Do you want to open a present?
Hey?
Yeah, you just want to play with the balloon. How about this one? Yay! Hey! It's something you can rip. Go ahead. Keep ripping.
What is it? What is it? Huh?
What is it? Hey. It's a bebop band! How much fun! Yay! Look at all of the instruments.
Hey, hey, hey. Yay!
Let's see. Can we get this open? Mommy gonna struggle. You like the balloon the best.
Yeah.
I like the balloon too. It's fun, isn't it? Hold on. There you go. There you go.
So big.
How big is Lindy?
So big.
That's fun paper, isn't it? Look at all this fun stuff. Look it up. Oh, there's so much tape on everything.
What is it? What is it?
You want to play with it? Shake it! Shake it, shake it, shake it! How about this one instead? You want this one? Well, I'll play.
Shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it! Shake it, shake it, shake it!
There you go.
Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday to me, huh?
Yay!
What's this one? Mommy likes this one. There's
Wow.
the drum. Yeah, drum. Don't hit yourself. Hey. Yay! All right, I'm gonna let you play with that while I make you breakfast, okay? I should probably cut that off there, huh? Is Grandpa gonna play? Yay! We got a little band
There you
going.
go, yay!
Yay!
There you go.
Fun!
There you go. See about what you like.
Look at it. So much fun. All done?
Well done playing? Let's get to eating, she says.